yung tubig, ano ang tawag doon? Deep well. Ayan, oh. Ay. Ano bang pinaglalaban ko? Bakit nga ba ako nagla-live? Ay, init-init pa. Ito siya. Kung babasahin natin, hindi ko pala maintindihan. Pero nandito yung English niya. So, ganito siya noon. Anong tawag dyan? Huwag na natin alamin, sakit sa ulo. Hindi ko nakikita yung may message ba? Hindi ko nakikita. Ayan guys, yung nagagandahan ko dito yung mga yung sa walking ano, may mga design sila na preserve nila, yung mga design andyan pa din. Init. Wala akong nakikitang comments. Nagko-comment pa kayo? Siguro na-stuck ito. Ayan, kagaya nito oh. Marami silang mga design. Dati hinahanap ko yun eh. Hinahanap ko kung saan nila nilagay. Kasi may mga story bawat design. Tapos nakalimutan ko na. Na-upload ko na kasi sa aking YouTube. Kaya, wala na ako pake. Gaya nito oh. Yan, mga meaning yan. Ito din oh, butterfly yata yung design eh. Ayan.
Butterfly, not guide.
Bob's Winter. Hey, hi Bob!
Hi Bob.
Can you understand Tagalog, Bob? Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. I found one. Triangle. Copy paste. There, you can see it's a square with something on it. It's a square with, looks like a sun. I'm not sure. There's a big square under, and then there's a little square in the middle under something like, yes, it's a sun. This one is pyramid. Why?
Pyramids.
Why what? What is it? The winter. Why what? Can you see what is that? A triangle. It's a pyramid. And then there is a baby pyramid in the middle upside down. Yeah, there's a lot here. This one too. I'm not sure. I don't understand
It's all Greek to us.
It's a triangle with something.
With rays on it.
It's a broken triangle, like a broken love life. Not mine. Hi, Bobs. You done with your meeting? Bobs. Why did I say Bobs? Is there extra Bobs there?
Hello to all Bobs.
Hello to all Bobs. This is another square with a square and messy race in the middle.
It's a boat.
Yeah. Yo, maybe that's how they drew a boat before, but they did not know it's a boat.
But that looks like a boat.
Was it? It's a broken boat. Yeah.
Water coming in overboard.
Overboard. The enemy is coming. Look at that. It's like a new design of a window. It's like 100 plus, I know. Design 100 plus design, I think. Oh look. So this is they called it the paved path.
Picon's paved path on the hill of Muses.
Landscaping Dimitros Piconius. Pickled?
The Piconis.
Piccionis in 9 with what? St. Demetrius Lombard Diaries. Between 1950 and 1957.
He created 2 winding walks on which accesses the Acropolis. Yeah, right. Wherever leads the way from Sacred Rock to Anderon on Philippapo Hill.
So this is like a mini theater. It's like a terrace. Look. Oh God, there's so many. I didn't see this before, or maybe I didn't notice. There's more carvings.
Too many.
Yeah, it's too many. And this is a marble, right? Oh, look at that. Tingnan yung bato, oh.
Careful.
Love you. The winter said if you can translate to Filipino. Oh, it's hard to walk here, love. Guys, tingnan niyo yung. Look at this. Can you explain? Because I'm running out of energy.
This is one of the marble benches that we just read about.
Yes. And this is made between 19 when?
50 and 57.
How old is this?
Count 50, 70 years.
1950. Oh yeah. 70
Plus.
plus. Yes. 70 something, yes. You're right. Whoa. This is like a older like me. Ooh. I mean, look at this. How did they made it? It's just a stone. They have to
This is just on top. They have to steady this and then they just lay this on top.
You lie. You liar. Oh, there's more. I didn't see that. There's more. Yes, there's more.
Still.
Shout out loads from my Noy kids. Hello po. Thank you for dropping by. Hindi ko masyado nakikita yung yung chat kasi naglalakad tapos medyo masilaw. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo yung Mount Licabetos is dyan sila na nangunguha ng mga bato noon at dalhin dyan sa may Acropolis at ginawa nilang mga anong tawag doon? Yung bato parang kung sa atin yung parang semento. You forgot to pay for the data. Ay, ayan na, nandito na sila. Yan, kasi titingnan nila yung sunset. Sana umulan kasi pauwi na kami. Charot. Tingnan nyo yung marble, guys. Oh. Ayan. Tapos ang cute ng pagkagawa nila ng upuan. Circle. Ay, kung may data pa ako sa baba, papakita ko sa inyo yung yung number 8 is one of the oldest church here. Tatay Bibo said he will watch the replay later. He just made silip the live. Oh no. I'm currently offline. Gusto niyo bang makita? Ayan, ito na yung oldest church. Ayan guys, oh. At dahil church ito, yes. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-ingay. Kita niyo ba yan? Ayan, oh, may cross. This is a church. This is the oldest church. It's called Church of Ayos Demetrios Lombardis. This is his church. Look at that. And you can see super old na. Ayan, oh. Huwag maingay, may natutulog sa church. Ayan siya, oh. So, ganito siya noon. Yan yung looks niya noon. Byzantine Chapel. When is this made? The landscaping between 18 1987 to 1968. Meron din yung parang observatory, hindi talaga mag-ingay. Cecil's Closet, hello! At dahil hindi pwedeng mag-ingay, magwi-whisper na lang ako. Hi guys! Thank you! Thank you, Cecil's Closet. Wala pa kayong ginagawa sis, the winter? Hey guys! Ito po, dito ay dating bahay. Ang tawag dito ay Hill of Phoenix. Carl is getting tired. Do you look like he is tired?
No.
Yes, he looks very tired. What are you doing?
TikTok.
He's doing TikTok. What is that?
See what they do.
What they do?
Thank you for the rose.
Ito na nga, nandito na nga tayo sa Hill of Phoenix. Hi, thank you sa 10 viewers. Nawala na naman yung data ko. Ayan, so itong Hill of Phoenix, makikita mo dito close up yung Parthenon. Marami din ito mga buildings dito noon na made of stones, pero kaunti na lang yung natira. Parang may mini theater dito noon. Ayan. Yung parang may stage doon sa baba banda. Ayan, kita mo dito close yung mas kita dito close yung Mount Licapetos. Naakyat ko na din yan. Andyan yung church na pinakamatagal na din. Ito sa pinakataas na yan. Church yan. Tapos napakaganda ng view dyan. Kitang kita mo talaga 360 pag nasa taas ka. Maganda din manood ng sunset dyan. Magluto na kayo. Wala kayong ginawa. Hinihingal talaga ako.
Here we don't
Eh
have
guys,
any data.
tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung marami palang tao nandun. Yan. Kaso blurry.
Shaky because it's too close now.
Yeah.